this is what happens if you don't synchronize your audio and video properly. We made a waltz version of the song, sort of. This is kind of funny. So now here is what I used to make this video. So starting, I used this Zoom H1 audio recorder pointing into the piano, and it's on its own tripod. And next I used my normal camera pointing at the keyboard, and also I used this GoPro camera pointing at the keys of the piano. And this is how I set up all of the equipment to record this video.